I've been at Mason last 2 years as an assistant professor, and like there are many instances that is really rewarding. For instance, when we complete a manuscript with a student, like when we conduct an experiment, it's really rewarding. But I can say like two things that are like most rewarding when I hear from students. One is like when I see a student becoming more curious about his or her work or her research, that makes me feel like special, because now the student started with a level, and now I can see that there's a curiosity in the student that makes his or her a level upper than than how we started. So that's the first thing. And the other thing is like when I make a small difference in their life. For instance, if they land to their like dream job offer, maybe they like win a prestigious internship, or maybe they decided to pursue an academic career. And these type of things really make me feel like very rewarding than when I hear like a student has like completed an experiment or like wrote a paper with me. So yeah, these are the things that make me feel like really special. I had many mentors and colleagues who helped me to become who I am now at Mason. So first, I would like to thank my undergraduate mentor back in Turkey, my home country, Dr. Vasif Naviev. So back in Turkey, like when we were in the undergraduate level, we were taking like 7-8 classes a semester. And because of that, like we barely had time to do any research as an undergraduate student. But Dr. Naviev helped me become more curious, like what I said. And he was always posing interesting questions for us. And then that kept me like very interested in academic research. So before him, I thought that people with less technical abilities, like programming, etc., were choosing an academic career because they can't do in a technical field. But after him, that mentality changed completely, because I realized that there are so many things that you can pursue in an academic career and do a lot of like experiments and many groundbreaking research. So he was very instrumental in my career. And of course, my PhD mentors at Old Dominion University, Dr. Jose Padilla and Dr. Saiku Diallo. So they helped me to become a good mentor. So in his lab, in my main advisor, Dr. Jose Padilla's lab, we had students from high school to undergrad coming into our lab and working with us. And in that case, I was able to communicate with them. I could observe how my mentors talk to the mentees. So that was really important for me. Like I learned a lot how to interact with mentors. So in some cases, I learned like how to interact with mentees from my advisors. And in some cases, I learned how not to interact. So it was really a rewarding experience for me. And so these were my mentors. And I had many colleagues who helped me in this process, who helped me co-mentor students as well. So Dr. Taylor Anderson from Geography and Geoinformation Science and Dr. Andreas Dufle from the same department. So we work together, we mentor undergraduate students together. And hopefully in the summer, we're gonna have over 15 students in a research project under the Summer Team Impact Project program from the Provost office. So we will have a really fun summer. We will establish like 3 or 4 research groups, and then we will pursue an interesting question about COVID-19 spread simulation. So it will be an interesting experience for us. And this will be the first time that I will be able to mentor so many students, of course, with some colleagues from George Mason University. And also we had a colleague, Dr. Andrew Crooks at Mason. He left us last year, but he was really helpful in general. Like when I had some questions about like how to approach a student in certain cases, he was always helping me like how to navigate difficult situations. So I would like to thank him as well.